Hi, I'm Victor Font. Welcome back, everyone. Today's lesson is fundamental to everything that follows. We're taking a deep dive into the concept of metadata schemas within WordPress, a topic that blends database structure, content management, and flexibility in data organization. WordPress has become one of the world's most popular content management systems, and one reason for its success is the way it handles metadata. Understanding the metadata schema allows developers and content managers to expand what WordPress can do beyond just blogging or publishing static content. Broadly, metadata is data about data, information that describes, gives context to, or categorizes content. In WordPress, metadata can describe various elements like the author of a post, publication date, category, or even custom properties like SEO tags. Essentially, metadata helps us give additional context or characteristics to our core content elements like posts, pages, users, and comments. WordPress stores metadata in specific database tables, each dedicated to a different content type. These tables include WP Post Meta for post metadata, WP User Meta for user metadata, WP Comment Meta for comment metadata, and WP Term Meta for taxonomy terms. This structure allows WordPress to handle different types of metadata efficiently without cluttering the primary content tables like WP Posts or WP Users. Let's look more closely at how WordPress stores metadata. In the metadata tables, each row represents a unique metadata entry with several key columns. Meta ID is a unique identifier for each metadata entry. Post ID, user ID, or comment ID, these columns link the metadata entry to the relevant post, user, or comment in the WordPress database. They function as foreign keys. Meta key. This defines the type of metadata, for example, thumbnail or custom CSS. Meta value. This column holds the actual data for the meta key, such as an image URL for a thumbnail. Here's a practical example. Suppose we have a blog post with additional information beyond its title and content. We might add metadata like a featured image, SEO title, or a specific CSS style. WordPress stores this data in the WP Post Meta table with each piece of metadata represented by a meta key and meta value pair. For instance, the key thumbnail might store the URL of an image as its value, while the key SEO title could store a custom title used for search engines. Metadata is incredibly powerful in WordPress, adding layers of customization, efficiency, and scalability to your website. For developers, metadata makes it possible to add custom features without altering core tables or code. For example, a real estate website could use custom metadata to display property details like square footage, price, or location on individual property pages. Metadata also keeps content lightweight by storing additional details separately, which makes the database more efficient and the system more flexible for future adjustments. In essence, metadata schemas in WordPress provide a flexible foundation for extending core content types, tailoring the platform to diverse needs. Whether you're building a simple blog or a complex site with custom functionality, understanding how metadata works and how it's structured will give you the tools to make WordPress truly your own. Our next session dives into Formidable's metadata database schema. You'll see just how much power the metadata schema adds to your sites, from enhanced design options to improved content personalization. Until then, review today's material. If this was more for you than a technical review, take a crack at completing the research project and consider how metadata could expand what's possible in your own application development projects. Thank you for watching, and take care.